Teacher Cheryl, I would like to extend my sincerest gratitude toward your gracious efforts in teaching me and molding me during the time I spent as your student. Your dedication to teaching and unwavering support has made a significant difference in our lives. Farewell, dear Teacher Cheryl, and thank you for everything. We will never forget you. Love, Rael.
Hello, Teacher Cheryl. We would like to thank you for being kind, for teaching us, for your sacrifices and your encouragement. Also, thank you for being our second mom. God bless your family. Take care. And I will miss you. No goodbyes. Just see you later.
I want to thank you, my dearest teacher, for your patience while you are teaching us. We love you for all the things that you do. I will certainly miss you. Take care always and God bless. Love, Amaris.
Hi, Teacher Cheryl. I will stand to say goodbye. It's you, I love you. Thank you po sa mga panahon na kasama ka namin sa mga at saka sa mga bagay na natutunan natin sa'yo. Thank you po na sobra-sobra sa pagmamahal mo sa aming teacher. Masaya po ako na isama mo sa naging estudyante mo. Miss ko kita, teacher. I am grateful po sa inyo na kapang bata na matutunan ko. We love you, teacher.
Hi, Teacher Cheryl. Thank you for your kindness, patience, and understanding. I'm so grateful you are my teacher. You're the best teacher in this world. Thank you and we love you.
Teacher Cheryl, thank you for teaching us the value of lessons that you taught us. No words can express how much I appreciate you and your efforts to help us learn. We will miss you.
Hi po, teacher po. Salamat po sa pagdalay at pagtulong po sa amin po. Thankful po po
Thank you, teacher, for teaching us all the things we need to learn for this school year. Take care and God bless you.
Thank you, teacher, for guiding us whatever we do. We will miss you so much. I love you po so much and thank you for being the best teacher, for always being kind to your students. And your lessons were fun and showing us new things. Thank you for inspiring us and make us what we are. I learn new things because of you.
Hello, Teacher Cheryl. Gusto ko po magpasalamat sa isang buong taong pagtuturo at pagmamahal ninyo sa amin ng mga classmates ko. Marami po kami natutunan at masaya po kami sa klase ninyo. Sana po lagi kayong healthy, teacher. Mag-iingat po kayo, teacher. I love you, teacher.
Thank you, Teacher Cheryl, for being supportive. Thank you for being our second parent. Thank you for helping us in hard questions and teaching us good manners, even though we're lazy. Thank you for teaching us how to do cursive handwritings and how to learn math and so on. We really appreciate all of these you have taught us. Thank you for being very understanding. We really appreciate and we love you.
Hi, Teacher Cheryl. I was so excited when they said that your husband was a math teacher and that you also love him.
Thank you for teaching me all the math this year. I appreciate it. I'll miss you. Bye.
But you're here in my heart, so who can stop me if I decide it's all my destiny?